We bring you a detailed review of the best vitamin D supplements in India because boosting immunity and getting the right supplementary nutrition was never as important as it is now. This list of the best vitamin D supplements in India shall help you make an informed decision and stay updated with the benefits and latest reviews of the best vitamin D that is available in the market. While we all know that vitamins are nutrients that our body cannot produce and must be consumed in the diet in some form or the other, vitamin D is an exception. Our body can produce vitamin D as a response to sun exposure. However, that is only a nominal amount and the remaining requirements can be met through certain foods and supplements. Our comprehensive list of the top 5 best vitamin D supplements in India takes you through a guided tour where we unleash the many benefits of this vital nutrient, its sources, and how its deficiency can hamper your health. We talk about the various vitamin D supplements available in the market and what makes one different from the other. We learn about the composition of each of these supplements and how it benefits your health in the long run. In fifth number we have Himalayan Organics Vitamin D3 in our list. Manufactured by Leo Nutraceuticals, the Himalayan Organics Vitamin D3 is one of the best vitamin D supplement that comes loaded with the benefits of vitamin D3 and K2. As is well known, vitamin D is essential for the growth of healthy bones and proper absorption of calcium in our body. Without the proper intake of vitamin D3, our body fails to absorb calcium, thereby missing out on its benefits. While vitamin D plays a vital role in the absorption of calcium in our body, another important nutrient, vitamin K2 helps to direct the absorbed calcium from our bloodstream to our bones and teeth for better bone density and arterial flexibility. Vitamin K2 plays another important role in synthesizing crucial bone proteins, thereby promoting healthy bone metabolism. Thus, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 coupled together help in giving our body the correct and much-needed dietary supplement, essential for overall growth and vitality. Himalayan Organics Vitamin D3 tablets are 100% natural, vegan, and safe with no preservatives, gluten, or dairy products. One bottle containing 120 tablets promises good health, better mood, and increased immunity with the consumption of just one tablet a day. In fourth number we have Doctor's Best Vitamin D3 5000U. One of the best supplements for vitamin D in the premium category, the Doctor's Best Vitamin D3 5000U is a dietary supplement that is enriched with this vital nutrient and works best to promote bone and teeth health and support muscle functions. The soft gels are designed with a formula to replicate the active form of vitamin D3 that is produced by the body as a result of sun exposure. The label on the bottle containing 360 soft gels indicates it is a non-vegetarian product with its major ingredient being a lanolin, a component of sheep's wool from which the major share of vitamin D3 is extracted. Other ingredients include extra virgin olive oil, gelatin, glycerin, and purified water. The daily dosage indicated is 1 capsule daily with or without food or is recommended by the healthcare practitioner. HealthFit Vitamin D 400U comes at the third number on our list. The HealthFit Vitamin D3 400U is a good combination of vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 that helps to keep your bones healthy and strong while building a formidable immunity. The combination of the two vitamins helps to support bone density and calcium absorption. It supports cardiovascular and brain health and increases your immune system function. The vitamin D3 component helps to absorb calcium and vitamin K2 helps to redirect this absorbed vitamin from the intestines to other parts of the body where it is most needed. This 100% vegetarian product that is enriched with the benefits of vitamin K2 along with vitamin D helps in relieving muscle discomfort, cramp, and improves muscle health in general. The supplement comes in a pack containing 60 capsules and it is recommended to have 1 capsule daily with meals or as directed by the health practitioner. Nature's Velvet Life Care Vitamin D3 5000U comes at the second number in our list. Nature's Velvet Life Care Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb sufficient calcium and keep your bones strong and healthy. The softgel supplementary vitamins are formulated to fulfill your body's need for vitamin D3, also called cholecalciferol, that promotes neuromuscular and immune health, regulates blood pressure, and protects the heart. Though some vitamin D is made by the human body when it is exposed to the sun, yet most humans suffer from the deficiency of this vital nutrient. One of the best vitamin D supplements in the 5000U category, Nature's Velvet Life Care Vitamin D3 helps to meet this deficiency. It regulates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the body and redirects the absorbed calcium for building stronger bones and healthy teeth. The supplement is a gelatin-free product and comes in a pack of 60 softgel capsules. The vitamin D supplement which is at the number 1 in our list is Now Foods Vitamin D3 5000U. Now Foods Vitamin D3 5000U is the best vitamin D supplement available in Indian market. As vitamin D is not sufficiently available in our diet, it is important to take it in some form of a supplement and meet the requirements of our body. Product of Now Foods, the supplement comes in the shape of 240 highly absorbable liquid soft gels that are easy to consume. Available in a safe, moisture-resistant packing. The bottle containing the Now Foods Vitamin D3 supplement states the directions for dosage, precisely stating the intake of one soft gel every 2 days with a meal or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. As a premium dietary supplement, Now Foods Vitamin D3 is a 100% vegetarian product that comes loaded with the benefits of vitamin D3 and offers you all the goodness of this vital nutrient that helps you to boost your immunity and health in general. While the Indian market is flooded with vitamin D supplements, choosing the one which best suits your health needs can be a bit challenging. Our list of the best vitamin D supplements in India is closely researched and based on some key factors like composition, ingredients, price, dosage, and its impact. As vitamin D is an important nutrient for immunity building and bone health, we bring you this comprehensive list and a detailed study to help you choose the best vitamin D3 supplement in India that caters to your family's health needs. While each of the above products is loaded with the goodness of vitamin D, which one supplements your nutrition and health needs depends upon your choice and efficacy of usage. So, go ahead and pick a vitamin D supplement from the list and let the sunshine vitamin brighten up your health and life.